Hello, my friends, and welcome back. We have another episode of Full Art or Big Ol' Fart. We got a Lost Origin today, the remainder of our box, my friends. That box has been incredible to us, with an Espeon VMAX and a Snorlax trainer gallery. Let's see what we can find in this last pack out of the box. The nature's been on our side, so hopefully that pattern continues with us, my friends, and we could be on a 5-day full art streak. Bronzor! Shout out Evolve Trades, he got his first Bronzor slab yesterday. We got Colress's Experiment. Oh, the streak is over, guys, but we got a water type Dugong for the lake. Let's go. Thanks for watching, my friends. We'll be back tomorrow with another episode. We'll see you on the other side.